We've all done it. It's just one of those things. We've all dropped our phones or our tablets. And you know that sinking feeling as you go down to grab that phone, turn it over, and you see a cracked screen? Well, this little guy is going to make that problem go away. Doesn't block the camera. Hey, welcome to another Talking Tech with the Techie Guy. My name's Liron Segev, where I make technology simple. And yes, I'm talking about this little guy today. I'm going to help you protect your devices. It was sent to me from a company called cellhelmet. Thanks for doing that. And I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to apply, what it does, and why you should absolutely get yourself one of these. So let's take a closer look at the product. So the first thing you'll notice is a $300 glass repair guarantee. I mean, that's just power right there. Stronger glass, simple application. Well, we'll be the judge of that. Let's look what's inside the box. In the box, you get obviously this little vial, which has got the magic formula, the sauce, the secret sauce. And you get a registering for your limited warranty, and of course the instructions. Okay, that looks simple enough. Clean, apply, and buff. Alright, let me show you how easy it is to use. So you got your phone. First of all, let's take out the clean alcohol swab, and basically we're going to clean the phone, making sure we get rid of all the ground. Now, this is the hardest part, was removing that lid from this vial. Once you do that, basically all you're going to do is you're going to pour that into the middle of the screen, and that's going to get all the liquid out. I would suggest using the entire vial. Take out the apply cloth, the application cloth, and basically rub that in. It's got this very cool kind of matrix looking thing going for it as you do that. Next up, you got to take out the buffing cloth and then basically give it a good rub down. And what's cool with this is that it's ready to rock and roll immediately. You wait a couple of minutes and basically you can use your phone. But over the next 24 hours, it will cure even more, making it even stronger. Now, the science behind how all this works is coming up right now.
How does it work? Put your device under a microscope and you'll see that the glass is actually a porous material. The active ingredient in liquid glass, silicon dioxide, fills in these pores and imperfections, curing and forming a stronger surface. And the results are in 2 feet without liquid glass, 9 feet 4 inches with cellhelmet liquid glass.
So for a company to offer a $300 guarantee really speaks volume of that company. It really says that they stand by their products and they guarantee their work. So it's absolutely worth checking out. Link will be in the description below. And they've even got other products that if you've got a cheaper phone, an older phone that maybe doesn't have such an expensive screen repair and price, they've even got a product for you with a slightly lower guarantee as well. Alright, if you're new here, smash that little button here, subscribe button, just smash it, yeah, that one. Give the video a thumbs up, share this video with somebody else who has dropped their phone in the past. We've all got friends walking around with cracked screens, and I'll see you guys on the next episode of Talking Tech with the Techie Guy. Cheers for now.